Namaste, this is Tulsi Ganga here from Cosma Center. In today's video, we're going to see 21 powerful night affirmations. Now you can say this when you're just ready to go to sleep. Sit straight, face east direction. You can close your eyes. You can take a deep inhale, deep exhale, relax your body and mind, and say these affirmations. These 21 powerful affirmations, night affirmations, is basically to help you to, for the soul to withdraw from the physical body and move upwards, guiding from the material world to the spiritual world or the subconscious world. Now, the root chakra to your solar plexus chakra, this energy starts retrieving slowly from survival, desire, action-oriented activities. It slowly goes up. The body enters into a state of stillness and releases all your tension and prepares for a deep rest. Your heart chakra, it processes all your emotional impressions from the day. It facilitates forgiveness, gratitude, emotional healing. Throat chakra, it clears up all your unspoken words, suppressed truths. It prepares your mind for a deep dream expression and inner voice clarity. Your Agnya chakra, it activates your inner vision and intuitive awareness, supports dream visioning, mental detoxing and subconscious integration. Your crown chakra, it opens to the higher planes, allowing the soul to reconnect with your divine. It facilitates astral travel, spiritual communication and cosmic rest. Now, what is the purpose of these night affirmations? So that you can release your physical tension, emotional clutter and mental noise. You can heal and clear your blockages accumulated throughout the whole day. It facilitates action of energy from the lower chakras to your higher chakras for spiritual communion and dream state insight. It supports inner peace, forgiveness, deep soul restoration. Now, are you ready for the affirmations? Let's get started. You can sit straight, you can relax your body, you can take a deep inhale, exhale. Root chakra affirmation. I release all fear, worries, stress and tension, and my body and my mind and soul sink into deep healing. I am grounded, protected and held safe by Earth's embrace. I rest in peace, calmness and stillness. Sacral chakra affirmation. I honor my feelings and release emotional tension. I let go of hurt and pain and invite gentle healing. I feel nourished, balanced and whole and rest in peace. Solar plexus chakra affirmation. I let go of the day and rest in my worth. I release the need to control outcomes and trust life's quiet unfolding. My inner fire is gently renewed overnight and recharges my energies in stillness. Heart chakra affirmation. I forgive and release all that burdens my heart, and now my heart is light, open and free. I am at peace with myself and others. I rest in gratitude, wrapped in love, peace and compassion. Throat chakra affirmation. I let go of any words left unspoken and rest with authentic peace. I release the need to explain or be understood and honor silence. My voice is at rest and my truth is safe within me. Agnya chakra affirmation. My mind is calm. My vision turns inwards. I trust the wisdom of dream and inner sight. I surrender thoughts that no longer serve me and receive subtle guidance and messages from the higher self. Crown Chakra Affirmation. I surrender to the universe and am cradled in divine love and grace. I release my identity and am one with the divine wholeness as I sleep. My soul is at peace and my consciousness rests in divine connection. Now these night affirmations helps us to release the soul from the body and guide it back to your subtle realms, to rest, to heal and for spiritual integration. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications up to date. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful, great day. Atma Namaste.